Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to clear one of the most common confusions in JavaScript, sorting arrays. Most people just write arr.sort of and think it's doing numerical sorting, but actually, it's not that simple. Here's the definition of sorting is the process of arranging elements in a specific order. Now I will show how everyone writes code when the interviewer asks you to perform sorting ascending order or descending order. Const numbers equal to 10, 5, 7, 19, 24, 9. Now you will just console using sorting console.log of numbers.sort of. Now you might expect 5, 7, 9, 10, 19, 24, right? But instead, you'll see 10, 19, 24, 5, 7, 9. If not, some intelligent students write code like this. Here we will take the same array for our example. Instead directly consoling the number.sort, they will assign a variable name like ascending or anything and writes ascending equal to numbers for sort of, and they will console ascending in this case. Also you will get the same output like before, it won't sort in ascending order. Now we will see why this happens when we write directly numbers.sort of. I will write an example to show you why this happens here. Console.log of string 20 when less than string 100. Now what do you think the output? The output is false because it checks first number 2 is less than 1, not right, so false. Theoretically we can say that JavaScript sort method converts elements into strings and then compares them in dictionary order, also called lexicographical order. That's why 100 comes right after 10, because it compares the characters, not the actual number values. Now the correct way to sort in ascending order or descending order. We need to write code like. Here again we will take the same example, const numbers equal to 10, 5, 7, 9, 19, 9. Now to fix this, we need to give sort of a compare function. Numbers.sort a, b equals greater than a minus b, ascending order. This will sort in ascending order and we will get the output as 5, 7, 9, 10, 19, 24. Now to sort in descending order, we will change here minus b to b minus a and we will change our variable name ascending to descending. That is how we can write is numbers.sort a, b equals greater than b minus a, descending order. In this case we will get output as 24, 19, 10, 9, 7, 5. Here's how it works. If the result is negative, a comes before b. If it's positive, b comes before a. If it's 0, the order stays the same. This works alphabetically. I will show you an example using strings. Const fruits equal to banana, apple, kiwi, guava, console.log fruits.sort of. We will get the output as apple, banana, guava, kiwi. Default it works for alphabets. The sort of method in JavaScript converts the array elements to strings and compares them in lexicographical, dictionary-like order. That's why apple comes before banana, then guava, then kiwi. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more JavaScript tips, and drop a comment below with what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.